Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Pink Spring Easter Decor Challenge. This is being hosted by Antoinette of Decorating Aunt's Place and co-hosted by Shelley of Pretty Inspired Decor, Shuley of Mystylemycolours, and Tammy of Glam Queen DIY. Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with these talented ladies, I'm going to leave a link to their channels below. So please go check them out. Also, I'm going to leave a link to the playlist. So please go check out all the participants as well. Now, I'm going to give you a closer look on how I decorated my vignette. Now, for this challenge, you had to use pink. Now, you didn't have to use everything pink, but you did need some splash of pink. To start with, I'm going to show you this picture. Now, this picture has, I don't know if you'll be able to see it because of the glare of the lights, but it does have a mauve mat and some pink flowers. That's why I chose to put my vignette on this table, so it all just sort of blend in together. Now I'm going to start and show you. This is just a scarf that I'm using for a tablecloth. I got this at Goodwill a few weeks ago. And I did have a table runner on this table. And I left it on there because you can see how it shows up underneath. And it really gives a little pop to the tablecloth. Now, over here, I'm going to start to the left and move to the right. This is just 2 gold candlesticks that I've been having. And I just have 2, on each one I have a pink votive candle. Here, he is so pretty. It's a rabbit birdhouse. Oh, he is so pretty. And they're all on a pink pedestal cake plate. Now, for just a little pop of color down here, I have a Fitz and Floyd deviled egg plate. Oh, he is so cute. And then this little guy, I bought him a couple of weeks ago. And as far as true Easter decorations, this is the only thing I have bought this year. And underneath him is just 2 pink ceramic eggs. Behind him is just a little pink cup. Now, like I said, that was the only Easter decorations. Now this, and I went ahead and added him. This is the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. And it is just so cute. And he's in this little pink teacup. So I just added him to this as well. Over here, I have like a little gold vase that was painted at the same time as the candlestick. So they match. And I have just 3 pink roses in it, with 2 little bunnies and 1 blue and 1 pink. Over here is a charger, just a Dollar Tree charger that Mike painted pink for me maybe a year or so ago. I'm not real sure. And in front of it is just a pansy wreath that I made from scrapbook paper. Then I have just a pink vintage bud vase and a little tiny teacup that has little pink flowers. And over here is a ceramic Easter basket with pink eggs inside, and except for 1 little Minnie Mouse egg. And then in the center, my little pride and joy, these are 2 Fitz and Floyd rabbits. They're white rabbits, but they each have pink flowers. They are so, so pretty. Now, I just want to thank Antoinette for hosting such a wonderful challenge. And I also want to thank her 3 co-hosts, Shelley, Shulay, and Tammy. I really enjoy participating. And now I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and let me share this with you. I hope everybody has a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye, and may God bless.